this Zoom session, which is about the best opportunity, which is about a very good platform and very good opportunity, which is Innova Trust, which is totally crypto-based business. So, guys, let's talk about the fact. We live in a time where the world's money system is changing. Banks are changing, investments are changing, and the people who understand this early, those people, they are the one who benefits the most. Innova Trust is built on a powerful idea, giving everyday people access to the crypto economy in smart, structured, and strategic way. This is about mindset, vision, strategy, and timing. So, guys, here Innova Trust totally it is based on the crypto business where they are doing crypto trading and they are generating profits. So, let's see the next slide. Here comes the great leader, the mind behind the mission. It is Louis Andre. He is CEO and founder of the company, and he's having more than 20 years of experience in crypto market. He worked before, he has experience in different companies, different financial markets he has worked, and now here with his brain, with his ideas, he has built one good business here, one good opportunity for us named as Innova Trust. And he is utilizing all his experience, all his financial knowledge here to grow this business, to provide us best profits. Now, these are the 6 phases of the company, 6 phases of Innova Trust. It shows what Innova Trust actually doing. So here in phase 1, company gives us opportunity to choose our investment plan and invest in the company. As soon as they receives amount, they receives fund from the market, they do proper market research. Without market research, they will not go ahead, they will not process for anything. So first they do proper market analysis, market research, then they work on risk management. They apply very strong risk management systems where they define risk limits, capital protection, and security strategies. With these strategies, then they wait for the market for the exact point. They wait for the cryptocurrencies to come down to come for the particular point where they can buy the currencies, and again they wait to sell the currencies in good profit. So in this way they will repeat this cycle again and again, again and again, to generate more and more better profits for all of us. Here comes the investment plans. Now everybody has a question that how much amount we can invest in the company, what will be the minimum amount, what will be the maximum amount. So all questions answer is here. So here investment plan is starting from $20, and as per your wish, as per your choice, as per your set goals, as per your vision, you can choose any package among these all present packages, like as $20, $50, $100, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, or 100,000. So maximum package value is 100,000 that you can invest in the company. The next question comes, when you are investing something, what you will get in the return. So guys, here company is giving us 3.33 percentage of our investment amount every day on all the weekdays. It means weekly 5 days you will going to get 3.33 percentage of your invested amount. Let's say you have invested $1,000 in the company. At that time, 3.33 means $33.3 you will get every day for 5 days a week. So in this way, when you are getting $3.33, so when at the end of 30 days, you will get 100% cashback, 100% profits from the company on your investment. And at the end of 30 days, company will allow you to withdraw your capital as well. Yes, guys, it means in 30 days you will going to get 200%. It means 2x. 100% will be your profit and 100% will be your original amount or your principal or your capital. So in this way, in 30 days, you are going to make 2x from your investment amount. And there is one more option company has given here, that is of reinvestment. Whenever you are getting your everyday profit, if you want, you can withdraw that profits, and if you want to reinvest, then you can reinvest that amount by simply clicking on reinvestment button. There is one option of reinvestment. You have to choose that option. You have to enter the amount, means investment plan. Then immediately your package will be activated. And the same thing applies for your capital also. At the end of 30 days, if you want to withdraw your capital, yes, you can withdraw it. And if you want to reinvest it, you can reinvest it to grow your capital, to grow your profits more and more. Here they have given simple calculation chart where you can see all the package value is there at the left hand side, and then your everyday return what you are getting from the company, at the end of 30 days what you are getting, and at the end what will be the total profit. We'll consider here example of $1,000 package. So if you buy $1,000 plan, at that time you will get $33.3 every day. So in 1 month, it means 130 working days, you will get $1,000 as a profit. At the end of 30 days, you will get $1,000 what you have invested, what was your capital, that. So it will totally become $2,000. You have invested $1,000, and at the end of 30 days you got $2,000. It is applicable for all the packages whatever are there in the plan. You can see here all the packages, so it is same for all the values. Here comes the referral bonus. So here company is not only limited up to profits, but company is giving us opportunity to earn more and more, to grow more and more in our life. So here guys, you can refer this plan among your friends, families, among your neighbors, or among your circle. So whenever you are referring this plan to anyone, company will give company will give you 10 percentage as a referral bonus. When directly you are referring this plan to anyone, any of your friends, at that time you will get 10 percentage. That will be called as referral bonus or level 1 bonus. Then all the people who are there on your level 1, they will also do the same thing. They will also refer to their friends. However, we have to grow our network, we have to grow community, we have to make this program aware among our community. So when they will refer the program, the new people, they will come on your second level, and whatever amount they are investing, it's 5 percentage you will get. Then again the second level people, they will also repeat the same process. They will also introduce this plan to others. At that time new people who will come again, they will come in on your third level, and you will get 2 percentage from your third level. In this way, fourth level, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, you will get 1 percentage from your 4th to 10th levels. In this way guys, you can earn more and more money. You can make more and more profits from the Innova Trust, as company is providing you a return on your investment, that is profits plus referral bonuses, and there are many more things. We'll discuss it later. Finally comes here frequently asked questions. So yes, whenever we are investing our money in any platform, we have so many questions, that how much will be the withdrawal fees, what is the withdrawal timing, when we will get withdrawal, what is withdrawal process, how we will get withdrawal. So all your questions, they will clear here. We'll go question wise. So number one, what is the return offered by the plan? We have discussed it recently. That is 30 business days, 100% profit you will get, and at the end of 30 days you will get your principal back. Then question number two, when can I withdraw my earnings? Yes, you can withdraw your earnings every day from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. How do referral withdrawal works? Yeah, as I told you that whenever you will refer to anyone, at that time you will get referral bonus. So you will get referral bonus, and that referral bonus you can withdraw anytime. The referral bonus wallet will be open, will be available for you 24/7. Anytime you can withdraw this. And the best thing in this platform is that withdrawal. Very smooth, very automated withdrawals are there. Whenever you will place any withdrawal, you will get instant withdrawal. Within a minute, within a 60 seconds, you will get the withdrawals. That is the best thing I like about this platform. Next, what is the minimum withdrawal amount? Minimum withdrawal amount is $5. What are the prices of plan available here? So plans we have discussed starting from $20 to $100. Is there any reinvestment option? Yes, you can. You are having two choices there, to withdraw or to reinvest. So whenever you want to reinvest, you can reinvest, and if you want to withdraw the amount, you can withdraw it. Then next question comes, can I withdraw my deposit balance as a leader? Yes, when you will become leader, pro leader, at that time you will get an option to withdraw your deposit also with some fees deduction. And generally, our contract with the company is for 30 days. So before 30 days you cannot withdraw it, but there is one condition, that if you are a pro leader, at that time you will get this option to withdraw your deposit also before 1 month with the deduction of some fees depending on your package value. How do referral level works? Yeah, referral levels work like, from your first level you will get 10%, from your second level you will get 5%, from third level you will get 2%, and 1% each from 4th to 10th level. So guys, this is all about the presentation, all about the plan. We have one more PDF that explains our career plan. So just allow me 1 minute so that I can open that, I can share that PDF with you. Hope you can see the screen clearly. So here comes your career plan. As we have discussed before, this is referral program as well. So in the referral program, whenever you are referring other people, so there is no any limit to refer directly. Like you can refer 5 people, 10 people, 100 people, or n number of people you can refer. But among that whole 100 people on your first level, 2 people, there should be 2 legs which should be very strong. If there is business of $50,000 in any 2 legs, among your all the legs, if any 2 legs there is business of $15,000, you will achieve your level 1. With this 30,000 business, it means 15,000 on one leg and 15,000 on another leg. You will achieve first level. So on your achievement of level first, company will reward you with $750, and that dollars company will transfer you in your account, which you can withdraw anytime, instantly, immediately, whenever you want, you can withdraw it. So this is level 1. As you are growing, your team is growing, your network is growing, you will get opportunity to achieve level 2. The condition for achieving level 2 is that the business what previously you had, that is $15,000, that you need to grow to $30,000. It means you already you have a business of $15,000 plus more 15,000 you have to do on both the legs. So total business on both the legs will become $30,000 and $30,000. With the $30,000 business on each leg, you will achieve level 2. On level 2 achievement, company will gift you $1,500 in your account, which is easily withdrawable. Again, you are working more, your team is growing, your team is also working for you. At that time, when your business will become $50,000, then you will reach to level 3, and your achievement of level 3 company will reward you with $2,500. Not only this, guys, this is very big rank in the company. This is very good level in the company where your all the levels above 10 levels will be unlocked. Means now you are eligible to get bonus, referral bonus only from 1 to 10 levels. But after achieving third level, your all the levels will be unlocked, and now you will get bonus from all the levels. If you have 100 levels, you will get bonus from 100 levels, that is 1%. This is also called as the global bonus, which you will get from your all the unlimited levels, 1% from every joining. Then again, when you grow in the company, and where your network will grow, at that time you have opportunity to achieve level 4. For achievement of level 4, there is condition that your business should be $100,000 on both the legs. When your business will become $100,000 on both the legs, you will achieve level 4, and your level 4 achievement company will reward you with $5,000. And at the same time, your global bonus will increase from 1 to 1.5 percentage each. It means from your all the unlimited levels, you will get 1.5 percentage. If anyone is joining in your network, in your tree, at any level, you will get 1.5 percentage of their joining. This is very big bonus, guys. This is really very handsome amount you will get. You will earn very good amount from this bonus. Next come the highest rank, highest level in the company, that is level 5. From this level 5, to achieve this level 5, you have to bring business of $200,000 on both the legs, and on this achievement, company will reward you with $10,000. $10,000, guys. This is not a small amount. $10,000 in one go you will get. Plus, your global bonus will increase to 2%. You will be topper in the company, you will be the great leader of the company after achieving this level, because this is the highest level in the company. So guys, hope you understand the presentation. This is all about Innova Trust career plan presentation. Everything I have explained to you. Hope everything is clear. If anyone is having any doubt, any queries, then they can raise your hand, they can raise their queries. We are here to answer you.
Thank you, madam, for the good presentation. I appreciated you. And now I think everyone have no one question. So please, can you close the meetings now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, all leaders, for joining us today. And we'll continue. We'll catch you tomorrow. So we'll continue with the same Zoom presentation, same timing tomorrow. Thank you very much.